Hello, my name is Reza. In this video clip, I'm trying to show you how to use the web services for your mobile application. The program that I'm considering in here is the get information about the weather for the country and the city. Before going to run the application, let's have a look at its components. The main component of this application is the weather on mobile class, which extends midlet and implements command listener interface. The midlet is the basic component of the J2ME application. It has three important methods. The first one is the start application, and it will be called when the application is going to be started. And the second one is the pause application. It will be called when the application is paused, and the destroy application will be called when the application will be destroyed. I was considering some attributes for this program, which are the display and ticker, the form that contains all of the GUI components, the text field for the country and the city, and the command for get weather information and the exit command. I was initializing these components in the constructor of the weather mobile. In the display, I was getting the display for this current class. I was making a form which is called weather, and its title for the middleware and distributed system class CS237, and a ticker for that. The country is a text field, and I append it to the form, and the same for the city, and get weather information as a command and exit as a command. I add these commands to the form. Also set command listener to this class. In the start application, it's going to display the form. Let's run the application to see how it looks like. Takes a little time. It's low on netbean. Yes, it's emulator, and this is the application. As you can see, it's a weather, it's a form, and the country, the text field, and the city. And the menu, you can see it has the get weather information and the exit command, and the ticker, which is the middleware and distributed system class. Now I will show you how to use the web services for this application. In the project, I will right click and new the Java ME web service client. It's a form that you can see how you can put the WSDL URL and getting the information from the web services and change it to the Java classes. I put the web service URL for this application and retrieve this WSDL file. It's going to validate, and now it's okay. It will make the package with the global weather, and global weather package has some important components. The components that is very important for our application is the global weather stuff, which is the Java class, and it has some methods. The One of the most important methods is the get weather method, which get the city name and the country name and will return the information about the weather of the city. In the main class, the weather on mobile, I was making a class weather web services, which extend the thread for using the global weather stop. I implemented, as you can see, this class is considered as the nested class in the main weather on mobile class. And the run function, I was making a global weather stop and then calling the getWeather function, put the city name and the country name, and I made an alert form for information and displaying this information, and the alert will be displayed in the display class. Also uncomment in the getWeather information command, because it will be called this command and start the thread. And this package also should be imported in this application. Now I run it again. It is running, as you can see in here. Okay. I write the Iran and its capital, Tehran. Get weather information for the car, and it's going to be connected. As you can see, there was a flash in here, and it is the weather information as an XML file. It is the time 9/2010, 8 p.m. and the wind 5 miles per hour. The pressure and current weather. Yes. And that's it. Thanks.